Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst for SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the commodity Netflix. And at first, usually, we shall be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is going to be purely what we're seeing on the chart. And of course, we notice that Netflix Incorporation and it's not looking to buy a movie theater chain, being said by co-chief executive Ted Sarandos on Monday, and the rejection of speculation that swelled after the world's largest streaming service bought two cinemas and looking out for a third. The company owns one theater in New York already and purchased in 2019, while one in Los Angeles, which it bought in 2020. Netflix uses the cinemas to hold movie premieres and to showcase some of its original films. When asked at Vox Media's Code Conference if Netflix might next buy a theater chain, Sarandes said no. So I think this has had much impact on the market of recent because yesterday we noticed a short decline to the upside, looking out for this breakout of this resistance zone, but a little candle similar to an inverted doji occurred and are probably looking for retracement of this commodity. But I think ongoing to less frequent, maybe more expensive. And Sarandos said using it as an event to get out of the house, people are still going to look forward for that. Sarandos also said that the recently released Korean horror movies, A Squid Game, was on its way to becoming Netflix's biggest non-English title so far and could turn into its most popular show yet around the world. So right now, moving on to technical analysis, which is purely what we're seeing on the chart. First, we are marking our two resistance and support zones. This marked here and this already marked here. So what we should be looking out for is a breakout to the upside following the fundamentals of a new recent highs and looking out for this point as the next price point, which is at a 609.93. So a breakout of this point and maybe an entry from this point to this point, we should be looking out for 130 pips from the trade. And also confirming this on our daily time frame, we can see a whole lot of correction from the downside and a similarly bullish upward movement with an inverted hammer now heading upwards. So what we should be presuming is a breakout of this resistance zone by the open of the market, of the stock exchange market by 130. So a breakout of this zone and a much more push upwards to the upside, meaning we have our sights set on target for the bullish run. So if we were to make a trade entry for Netflix at this point, and then we let our trade run up to this most recent resistance point at 608.29. We should be racking nothing less than 150 plus pips from this trade entry, which is good money, of course. So that's our technical analysis on the commodity Netflix. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.